Alright guys, how you guys doing today? We don't come again. A very dark man I come so. Can't speak to Nigeria police PRO. Remember a lot is going on. And this particular video, it go shock now. I don't want to just talk anything. But let's listen to what a very dark man and the message is lamentation over police activities in Nigeria. Watch this, guys.
Alright, so me I didn't want to talk about this video until I just saw now that the police PRO have reacted to this Angela Okorie's video. And to be very honest, to the police PRO, your hypocrisy is alarming. You understand? This is just big hypocrisy. Now, you reacted to this video because it is viral. Abi, Angela Okorie is seen. Oh, police, they chase her. They help her protect Abi Nyash. He went viral. Yes. I'll come to the video. But for you first, let me show you something. There's another video that went more viral than this Angela Okorie's video. That particular video has caused unrest in Nigeria. A lot of Nigerians are scared. A lot of Nigerians want answers. But nobody ever spoke about it. But Angela Okorie will now go. You don't rush talk. Let me show you that video so that you know what I'm talking about. And we need answers in Nigeria. Since you have mouth to talk now for Angela Okorie own as a concise celebrity, let me show you. Alright, so this particular video where policemen were seen in the bush with terrorists. I call them terrorists because we don't know them in the police. And if they were policemen, they'll be wearing a uniform. Do you understand? They'll be wearing a uniform. A police van and an army truck is parked in the bush with a lot of men that are unknown with AK-47 in the bushes. This video went more viral than Angela Okorie's video. I never saw a press release from the first PRO to emphasize on the matter. Maybe you do, I might not see him. Do you understand? But the way this Angela Okorie will now be everywhere, I never saw you to issue a press release to explain what happened in that video. In a country where, and this video went viral the same period when I went to Benue, when the whole massacre happened, when they burned some people alive. You know, understand? That was when this particular video went viral. Now, another video went viral again, that same period.
Idan ba gwamnati ta daure man wanda yake cikin daji ya ta'addanci ba Allah ubangiji ya tsine ma Allah dauki rayuwa ta a wurin nan. Bahilla ce saniya aka san shi da ita sai noma. Saniya ba ta haihuwa bindiga AK 47. Bahilla ce bai da makera da zai kera bindiga AK 47. Gwamnati ke turowa har muka samu. Mu kuma wallahi dalilin da yasa billahi lazi shekara na 7 ina makarantar allo amma lokacin da na dawo na tsinci kaina a cikin wannan abun wallahi ina mamaki kullun ina tunanin rayuwata saboda mahaifa na akalla a kasar dan banga da so.
Now in this other video the Fulani man is saying cows don't give birth to guns, that any Fulani man that you see with an AK-47 is being sponsored by the government. Do you understand? So he's saying that Fulani men with guns are being sponsored by the government. Next thing, we are seeing a video of members of the Nigerian police and the military in the bushes with some unknown terrorists with guns, making the video that the Fulani man said make sense. It makes sense that it is possible that it's our Nigerian government that are giving out. It's not even possible. That's the only explanation to them having guns. Do you understand? So, PRO, this one is causing unrest. This is a national issue. Why are you not addressing it and telling us that this is the reason why we have seen the policemen that are supposed to secure us, the policemen that are supposed to be arresting terrorists, are seen in the bush, romancing them, frolicking with them, fraternizing with them holding AK-47s. This one will be a national issue. You did not address it. You are addressing one issue. Yes. The video of Angela Okorie and those policemen. I was disappointed in the policemen because how do I explain to the world that is the Nigerian police in our Nigerian police uniform holding an AK-47 running after a celebrity? I don't know what they are protecting, whether not the girl BBA Nyash, what she just do now and they protect. Maybe she insure him, so they send policemen that they protect Nyash. I don't know. It was really disappointing because I know for the fact that we have a lot of private security agencies that can protect any celebrity in the country. But again, will I blame the likes of Angela Okorie and the celebrities that carry police around? I wouldn't blame them. You know why? They learned all these things from the politicians. They learned it from the politicians and all these other big men. For this Nigeria like this, I don't see video when one rich man carry bag, give policeman, make policeman who you go to come on money from inside. I don't see different politicians or video whether they give their policemen bag, me the who. This country like this, a lot of policemen, they use them, maybe they go buy tomato and pepper for market for their wives. They don't turn policemen to house boys. This same country, policemen, they serve as boy for inside bush with Chinese men, all these Chinese people, they do mining. This same country. So you won't blame Angela Okorie. Where did she learn it from? If you people were not allowing policemen to do all these type of things before, the likes of Angela Okorie will not even see them to go and carry. Again, another thing is, the policeman no be picking. If Angela Okorie say do, and he say no go do, Angela Okorie no go force her. Do you understand? So I cannot even blame Angela Okorie at all. Because you people enable this. Now from an office that they can't take police now. Nobody there they can't collect permission to carry police as escorts. So I not go blame the likes of Angela Okorie. But Oga, can you talk about the one that concerns national issue that is causing unrest in Nigeria? I know a lot of Nigerians want answers to that particular video because I haven't been disturbed by that video. Next thing now, see, matter how funny this PRO and the office, all of them did for that place. I promise you, next thing you hear that they've invited Angela Okorie to come to Abuja. She should come and answer questions. If possible, they'll go detain her. They can do that. I will tell you that for free. Next thing, they can go and detain the lady. Next thing, they will go detain her now. Say they won't do investigation, they need to detain. That's. May not be a CPR will know the work. If it concerns celebrity, popular people, oh, in pre go stand. That time he go no say the man. In Bola go just stand, boom. He go they react. Oh, may they no say police they work. I dare you to react to that video of those terrorists in the bush with policemen and the army men. I dare you, I triple dare you to talk about that video. If you fit, make my hands clap. Make my hands clap like Cardi B. Make it clap like Nicki Minaj. Make it clap if you react to that video. Make it clap. Okay, carry your hypocrisy and go and sit down in the bush, please. And just in case you are planning to invite Angela Okorie, you better let the woman go. Because now I know now where we're now. Now next format go be that. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, go and learn and you will learn the hard way. Rubbish.
No, wait oh. Very dark man, why you do like this? Why you do like this? No, normally, you know, I support you for everything. But for this one, why are you like this now? No, are you not saying that the police PRO make it go inside bush, make it go fight terrorists? No, are you telling me say the police PRO wey you know say that particular video wey you show us now say na terrorist, he by pretend say you don't see him? Are you not telling me say you don't get eye, say he blind? Very dark man, why are you trying to push this man to his early death? Very dark man, this man see this thing, he hides. You see the one where you not there too much scary or whatever that cannot endanger his life. He come out. Now you are pushing him to go and die early. Very dark man. Very dark man. What you are doing so? I don't understand. Anyway, what do I know? What do I know? This is Nigerian Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that affect you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.